Hello everyone, corn dogs are incredibly delicious. So today I'm going to be showing you a very easy mini corn dog recipe that you're going to absolutely love. Yeah, so without further ado, and also I have another corn dog recipe which you're going to find in the description box together with the ingredients of this amazing recipe. I'm going to be using 6 hot dogs for this recipe, so I'm going to cut them in quarters, not in half, just like that. And then I'm going to place the hot dogs aside, and let's move on to my batter. So to my bowl, I'm going to add in flour, baking powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, mix, and then I'm going to slowly add in my milk as I whisk into the dry ingredients. The batter has to be thick, so add in the milk slowly. Add in a little bit of cooking oil, mix. My batter is ready, so I'm going to move over to the stove top, and I've placed a pan, added cooking oil, enough to fry my mini corn dogs. So as the oil is getting hot, I'm going to be, I have toothpicks over here, so I'm going to insert the toothpick into the hot dogs. I'm using toothpick because my corn dogs are going to be mini. I'm done, so I'm going to move over to my batter. And because my corn dogs are going to be mini, I'm going to add in a very cute cup over here. Once done, I'm going to check if the oil is hot by inserting a skewer into the oil. Once you see bubbling around the skewer, your oil is hot. So I'm going to start off by coating my hot dogs with the batter, just like that. Twist to get the excess batter off. Then I'm going to carefully drop into the hot oil. You're going to fry the mini corn dogs until you have a very perfect golden brown color. This is going to be so good. When ready, I'm going to use my skimmer, drain off the excess oil, and then I'm going to place in a paper towel to drain excess oil as I make the rest. Making these mini corn dogs is quite easy, as you've seen, and also they are perfect for lunchbox ideas, because sometimes you run out of ideas of what you're going to put in your kids' lunchbox. You can make this in a matter of about 10 minutes in the morning and you're done, and your kid will be so happy to open the lunchbox and find delicious mini corn dogs. Yeah, check on my corn dogs. These mini corn dogs are looking absolutely delicious, and I love the golden brown color on top, and the interior is very fluffy and moist, and oh my god, you have to try out this recipe, and I know you'll definitely love this amazing recipe. So you can serve the corn dogs for brunch, breakfast, or even serve for your guests, and they will surely enjoy each and every bite. So catch you on my next episode, and I hope you check the ingredients down below the description box, and catch you on my next episode.